What's up, Aardvark foodies? We're here at Dairy Queen and we're about to order everything off their signature, limited time only summer menu for blizzards. Let's get after it. Fun fact, the reason why this melts so quickly is because it's technically not ice cream. It's considered soft serve, which basically means it doesn't meet government standards to be called ice cream. Oh, so inappropriate. We're at Dairy Queen eating ice cream.
He's the food scientist that loves food and will put you in a good mood. It's Johnny Aardvark, he's the life of the party.
Hiya, can I get one of each of the limited time summer blizzard menu items, please?
The summer menu blizzard?
Yes, please. One of each of them in small size, please.
The only one we're out of really is the Oreo cookie.
Oh, that's fine. Just make it a banana split.
And the cotton candy.
Oh, okay.
We could put rainbow sprinkles instead.
That'll do. And then could I also get one of the, I believe they're the Heathrow brownies? Cupfections?
Anything else?
That'll be all, thank you.
30-32.
Not too bad, not too bad. I'm so excited, oh, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to have all these beautiful blizzards and I think I like it. Wow! Well, Aardvark foodies, we're about to get some delicious, delectable delicatessens from Dairy Queen. I can't wait.
Here's your banana split.
Thank you. I'll just hope they're cold enough by the time we get them. I wish I would have got some more of the s'more. Thank you so very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Somebody grab this. It's only a problem that I gotta focus on my driving now. Somebody grab this from me. I gotta get us home. Hey everybody, I'm Johnny Aardvark, the food scientist who loves food, and today I'm going to teach you some fun science facts about Dairy Queen while taking on their limited time summer menu of blizzards. If you want to stay up to date on all things food, science, and Johnny Aardvark related, click that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you're notified of all our new videos. Now, we're not gonna flip these upside down, but we are gonna eat them. They're unlabeled, but I'm pretty sure that's cotton candy and that's peanut butter. That's the Heathrow. I just don't know what this one is. Can you folks help me out? It's got some bananas in it. They're kind of like cut in like half, sort of, in some sort of like a split, it seems. I don't know, we'll come back to that one. One of my favorites, the strawberry cream delight, and then the one I've been waiting for the most of all, the s'mores. Did you know one of my favorite fun facts about Dairy Queen ice cream is that it's not technically ice cream? It has to be called soft serve because it doesn't meet certain milk fat requirements required for ice cream. Dairy Queen soft serve, like all ice creams, uses a very cool incorporation of air, water, and then freezing to basically create a smooth, consistent texture. That's sort of like what we were talking about with those ice crystals. You get a lot of really small sized, consistent ice crystals throughout your ice cream. You got yourself one sweet, smooth treat. So the really cool part about how blizzards are made is the machines involved. Basically, we'll take the ice cream essentially that makes up a blizzard, throw in a bunch of delicious treats, Oreos, Reese's Pieces, you name it. But they all help to thicken the ice cream. And then that ice cream is constantly moved around. That's the key part here. Constant motion. Pushes that ice cream around a really cold outer wall, and as it gets pushed around, it freezes. There's one thing you folks will know. So I love marshmallows and I love chocolate. So any combination where the two are together, it's pretty good by me. You know, as I said, s'mores are my favorite. So I'm gonna save it for last. Y'all know I'm gonna wanna eat the s'mores first, but I'm gonna save it for last because I'm gonna want more of that s'more. We're gonna take our first bite into the cotton candy blizzard. Let's see how it goes. I would say fire, but it's cold, so I'm gonna give it ice. You know what? This actually takes me back to some of my first days at Kennywood Park in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where the first thing you'd see as you walked right through the tunnel was the cotton candy vendor. And one of my good friends actually used to work that booth, so I used to get a lot of free cotton candy for us. Next up, we have the peanut butter puppy chow. Look at all those chunks. Look at that. That is ridiculous. Who is expected to eat all of that? Me. Now, this is the peanut butter puppy chow. I can't wait to do the s'mores. That I would say makes it worthy of the title of puppy chow. You can get the peanut butter with a nice swirled blend of vanilla in there. Solid. Next up on our Dairy Queen Blizzard menu, we've got a local specialty, the Heath Bar Delicacy. We've got the Heath Bar Delicious. Good little crumble of almonds, what looks to be one gigantic brownie. Look at that. That is marvelous. One bite. Oh, multiple chews to have to get that boy down. That tastes like if you were to go to heaven and be greeted by a brownie, you'd walk around all of heaven, you'd be dancing upon little brownies. Wait a minute. There's some hot fudge hiding out in here too? Folks, this just turned into a secondary treat. Whoop. Here's another brownie chunk. More brownie, more fudge. And now we're gonna go into, like I said, I don't really know what this is. I'm just kidding. This is your very classic banana split. The good healthy bit of vanilla ice cream, some whipped cream, and two beautiful looking bananas. First bite. Well, folks, I got a feeling this is about to get messy. Look at the bag. That was good. Let's see how good it can get. Got a little bit on the goggles. Like I said, this one's gonna get messy. All right, next up, we've got the Choco Dip Strawberry. One of my, again, personal favorites, because strawberry is just one of my all-time favorite foods. Delicious little chocolate chunks. Mixed in with some nice strawberry ice cream. That's a delicious and savory treat right there. Tastes just like a strawberry smoothie, but better because it's a blizzard. It's my favorite, the s'mores. Boy, I know I'm gonna want more of this s'more. I need more of the s'more! Man, I think there's a reason why I like s'mores most of all. Because they remind me of my childhood. Camping, I'm with the Boy Scouts, cooking up a couple of nice s'mores, mountain pies. It's always the sweetest treat. This might be one of the best burgers I've actually gotten to eat in a long time. That was a grade A burger. Did you know that 200 plus flavors of Blizzards are tried out every single year? But maybe 6 might make it onto the menu? That's insane. Enough of that science. Now it's time to dig in. First, I gotta have me some more of that s'more. How many bites will it take you to get to the center of a Dairy Queen bar? Now, if you want to keep following along on this delicious journey, just click that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next chow down.